have you found yourself? Like like when
Yeah,
I
yeah.
left
So
CrossFit, like I
yeah.
thought it was going to be different than it was, and I found myself like the pieces that I didn't even know that I had lost.
Well, so that's kind of it. Like I'm precisely where I should be. Like that is to
Yeah,
me, a finding of myself, right? Like, and I think
right.
that identification, I knew at Wadapalooza I was leaving. Um, this wasn't an aha moment when that ended. Like, I
You weren't
knew
fired. You walked away on your own,
correct. I had it, I knew in
unless
my
you guys made a deal to save face.
no, that's not what
All
happened.
right, okay, all right.
So
You're not chairman
we're
of the
all good.
board, are you? Are you chairman of the board over there at Wadapalooza?
I don't know, not yet. Maybe that's coming. the but yeah, I think that was like a really big part of this for me was just that's right where I should be. Like when Matt asked me if I would be interested and or then him aggressively wanting me to be there, like it was like hell yeah, like this makes perfect sense. So, I think I was sort of at peace going through Wadapalooza, to be honest with you, because I was like, anything that deals from a chaos perspective, it was kind of like, all right, like I really want to enjoy this, be present, remember, I do a great job, by the way. Like I needed to and wanted to. And then, you know, I was just excited about where I was, where I'm going, where I was going at that time. So yeah, I think I've particularly in the last couple of years, and I've said this quite a bit, I have found myself. I had a really strong experience with COVID. Not I never had COVID, but like just being home more and being slowing the pace down, being more in control of what I should be doing and want to be doing. Um, and realizing I think becoming like more comfortable with myself and my own skin too at the same time. I think we're always evolving. I mean, man, I'm 44, like I'm mature. I still need to mature, I think that I don't want to all the way mature, but that whole being home experience was really good for me.